You wake up, you go to work, you come home exhausted, and somewhere in between all of that, you're supposed to find the time to build a whole business, write content, research products, script ad, answer emails. Do it all yourself because you can't afford to hire anyone yet, and then you just don't, because there's just no time, and the dreams keeps getting pushed to when things slow down, which, let's be honest, they never do. Meanwhile, other people are building businesses, quitting their jobs, creating the life you actually want, and the only difference between you and them is they stopped doing everything alone. So I want to show you what I've set up that basically acts as my BTS business partner slash full-time assistant, doing the research, writing everything for me, creating ad scripts, handling the repetitive stuff so that you can use your time wisely. This is how I set up Claude as my AI assistant. And if you're trying to build something real while still working a 9-to-5, this might be the most important video you watch this year. If you enjoy these type of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Ritu Maz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My goal here is to teach you exactly how you can launch your own online brand, quit your 9-to-5 job, and live your absolute best life. I recently moved out of Canada and moved to the beautiful ocean that you probably see behind me, all thanks to online brands. And this is exactly why I created my YouTube channel, because I want to inspire you to take action. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First things first, here's something important before we even start the video. Claude has a free version. You can use it, it works, but it's limited. You get access to a less powerful model, you hit usage caps pretty fast, and this is the one big thing. You cannot use projects on the free plan. Projects are a Claude Pro feature, and projects are literally the whole point of this video. So let me actually break down for you what you actually get with Claude Pro. So basically, Claude has different AI models, kind of like different engine sizes in a car. Haiku, not sure how to pronounce it, is the fastest and cheapest for simple tasks. Sonnet is the balanced option that most people use for writing, coding, and business tasks. Opus is the most powerful model built for complex reasoning and advanced work. So think of it like this. Haiku is the economy car, Sonnet is a luxury sedan, and Opus is a sports car. On Claude's free plan, you get Claude Haiku. Haiku is a type of model. It's fast, it's decent for simple tasks, but it's the most entry-level model. Limited messages per day, no projects, no priority access. Claude Pro, which by the way, this is not sponsored or anything like that, is around $20 a month. This is what I use and what I recommend if you are serious about building your own online brand. You get access to Claude Sonnet, which is the model I use for literally everything. Writing, strategy, scripts, research is significantly smarter. With Claude Pro, you also get Claude Opus for the most complex tasks, so higher usage limit and full access to projects. Think about it this way, $20 a month versus hiring a part-time assistant, a copywriter, a researcher, and a strategist. It's not even a comparison. If you're building a business, get Pro. You can switch the models around depending on what you're doing. The model I recommend staying on for brand work is Sonnet. It's the sweet spot, fast, smart, and handles everything we're about to do with no issues. Opus is there if you need something for really heavy, but for day-to-day brand building, Sonnet is your model. Now that you know the different models on Claude, let's build something together. So basically, we're gonna be using Claude projects. A project in Claude is a dedicated workspace that remembers everything about your brand. Every conversation you have inside the project has context. You don't have to re-explain yourself every time. You just work. Let me show you exactly how this works using a real product example, because if you know me, you know that I share my screen and I show you everything. It's my favorite way to teach you things. So I'm gonna jump behind my screen and I'm gonna act as if I'm selling this portable blender. This BPA-free, leak-proof lid works for smoothies, shakes, travel, outdoor use. Sounds simple, right? Well, this exact product has sold over 32,000 units and generated over $160,000 in revenue in just 3 months. That is not a viral moment. That is not luck. That's a product people actually need. Market it to the right person consistently. And today I'm going to show you how Claude helps you build the entire brand around something like this. So let me jump behind my screen. Okay, so we're going to go on projects here, click new project, and I'm going to put in Blender brand. And what am I trying to achieve? I am launching an e-commerce store selling blenders. Hit create project. Next, we're gonna go and put in our instructions. So you're gonna add your instructions to tailor Claude's responses. This is basically where you wanna put all the information so Claude remembers exactly what your brand does and knows how to answer you. If you don't know how to come up with this, you can literally just ask ChatGPT or Claude in a separate chat, like, hey, give me the project instructions for my brand. Now we're gonna hit save instructions. And then just like that, I've given instructions. So now Claude knows exactly what my brand is. If ever I'm asking Claude to give me, for example, some marketing tips, it's gonna know that my target audience is health conscious women aged 25 to 40. So it's gonna be speaking directly to them. Done, that's your foundation. Now, every single thing Claude produces inside this project will be built around that brand. Now let's test it. Let's create the text for our website. So this is the prompt that I have prepared. So you can honestly just screenshot this and use it as well if you want. So let's just leave this as is for now. And you can always switch the models depending on how you want things to be. You can just start off with whatever Claude gives you and then switch it around if you want. And just like that, we have all the text that we need for our website. So our headline, your glow up doesn't need a kitchen. Sub headline, blended, charge it, take it anywhere. We have our product description that you can just copy paste in your product listing. And then why this blender? So all you have to do is put this directly in your website. Now you have the exact text for your website. I have many videos on how to build your own website step by step. I will make sure to link those tutorials for you down below. And by the way, if you've been enjoying this video so far, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. The next thing I want is a product description, but less than 150 characters, because sometimes there is a cap on how many characters you can have. So this is the prompt that I have prepared. And as you can see, I wrote keep it under 150 words. And keep in mind that the reason I'm getting such perfect responses is because of the instructions I gave Claude earlier. So if you're getting responses that's not the best and it doesn't seem like it fits with your brand, it's because you didn't give it proper instructions, okay? So now we have your blender shouldn't be the reason you skip breakfast. You know the mornings, rushing out the door, gym, bag half zipped. This is perfect. Add to cart, your next smoothie is 30 seconds away. This is amazing because instead of just saying add to cart, you can add this little text and it makes it more customized and just makes it fun. Next up, I want some content ideas. So this is the prompt that I have. Give me 10 content ideas for TikTok and Instagram Reels to promote my portable blender. Each idea should have a hook line and a brief description of what I'd film. Focus on ideas that feel organic and relatable, not like ads. POV, you said you'd eat healthier this year. This is perfect. And it even gives you instructions on exactly what you should be showing. And if you're using AI to generate the videos for you, you can give it exact details and prompts. Last but not least, I have another prompt here for you, and this is for brand names for the portable blender. In case you don't like whatever AI has come up with, or you don't like whatever the product listing has included for you, and you don't want to have something different. So we have Blendly, Surge, I don't know how to pronounce this one, Sip Fuel, On The Go, Co, Pulse, Blends, Nourish Now, Quick Blend. Oh, I actually really like this one. Quick Blend, and then your slogan is your smoothie 30 seconds away. You don't have to figure out brand name, slogans, etc. It will all be done for you. Every single one of these prompts works inside Claude Project because Claude already knows your product, your customer, and your brand voice. You're not starting from scratch every single time. You're just giving it a task and it delivers. This is what it looks like to run a lean brand operation. One tool trained on your business doing the work that used to take a whole team. If you made it to the end of this video, you're already ahead of most people who say they want to build a business but never actually sit down and learn the tools. What I just showed you is the foundation. This is how you build something real without needing a big team, a big budget, or unlimited time. And if you want to go even further, I now host a free weekly live training calls where I walk you through exactly how to launch your own online brand from scratch. We talk products, we talk content, and we talk ads. No pressure, just real training. To get into the free weekly calls, just join my next live training. It's gonna be linked in the description box below for you. And if this video helped you, hit the subscribe button because this is the exact type of content I put out every single week. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.